I'm going to do something that no other motovlogger has done.
Brown biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a brown biker, brown rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Good morning, bonjour, assalamu alaikum, hotep, chaish, all kind of things. We're outside again. Yes, family, I hope you're all good. Everybody wake up this morning. What are you doing today? So yeah, today there's no topic in general. I'm just getting myself back into the swing of things. I slept bad on my neck crick up. You get me? Oh my gosh, them left lifesavers are gonna be painful. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, family, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget the numbers them up. Keep the thing going. But yeah, man, we're just rolling, man. See what's cracking. But yeah, family, what I have noticed is I've noticed that it appears that people like the ASMR videos, which is interesting. Very, very interesting. So obviously, man's got to cater for all the audiences and all that. So some people like to hear me talking all kind of crazy shit, or all sorts of nothing, tutorials and all that kind of stuff. But people actually like just to hear bike sounds, innit? So if that's what they want, hear me, I forgive them that as well, you know, them ways there. So I've noticed. But yeah, family, don't forget that like, share, comment and subscribe so we can get, you know, the videos out there, so YouTube will test the videos out on more people. And also become a member. So yeah, the membership thing at the minute, you have to give me a minute to start. Remember, I lost all my data. I had a whole heap of stuff I had, man, like, that's gone. So what you have to remember, guys, is I need to build back up the portfolio. You get me? So if you give me about a few weeks, I should be back up and running, stronger than ever. 2 vids a day, you get me? But I've got to get out to get the footage in it. Do you know what I mean? So just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. You get me? But as I said, if you want to support, yeah, man, just press join, man. Let's do it. You get me? So yeah, this time I don't even have an agenda, you know, of where I'm actually riding to. Because sometimes, I'll give you a little bit of a secret, sometimes I'm actually going somewhere. So I'll just do a video while I'm going there, to get what I'm saying. But I've got about 45 to an hour to come out here, get some work done, and then go back, because I gotta go to work. You get me? But yeah, man, where am I going? You know what, let's try going left here. Let's see where left takes us. I don't even know what area we would call this. Guys, what area would we call this? Look at him, look at him, look at him. Let me go, let me go. All right. Some nice greenery over there, you know. I don't know if you guys caught that. Nice. But yeah, family, like I says, this channel, I'm going to do something that no other motovlogger has done. You watch this space. Just give me a few weeks. Hold me to it, man. You get me? I can't say exactly what it is and how I'm going to do it because, you know, I don't want nobody stealing my ideas. You get me? It's really originality alone me I work with, and daily content alone. You get me? I wonder if this plate is private. SA, mad. SA11NY. It's like it's supposed to say Sally, right? I don't know. Let me know, family. What kind of car is that anyway? It's kind of nice still. Imagine I looked at my computer and I'm like, yo, you have nothing to give the people, nothing at all. I'm like, shit. Huh. I got an hour to put something together. You get me? There's some nice bungalows over there, so real nice. So is anyone, is there anyone in here that's watching this that are thinking of, in fact, let me not say thinking of, that literally want to get their bike license or CBT? Hit me up on Instagram, man. You get me? Hit me up over there. I don't bite, man. Like, ask the question. I try my best to answer everything. I do have quite a few people that go over to my Instagram and ask me questions and stuff and advice, which is fine. As long as you're going all the way. If you're just over there on entertainment settings, yeah, I can be feisty still. You get me? So just mind what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you don't want me to cause trouble, yeah, just don't do it if you're not trying to go all the way. If you message me over there on Instagram or even TikTok, yeah, and then, you know, about a few weeks later, not even a booking has taken place, like you haven't booked your theory, you haven't done anything, then anything after that, I'm just going to be trolling you, innit? Like, it's just as simple as that. You know what I mean? So you've been pre-warned. Erdington Road, see, I've never been down there. I don't think anyway. Oh my gosh. You know, we got some nice houses, you know, local. Really nice, man. That's how the other side live. You get me? Go over here. Aldridge. Whee! I have no destination whatsoever. Is this still classed as Birmingham? Anyone who recognises up here, is this still classed as Birmingham? And that me want to know. Oh, hold on, I know where I am. Let's go right here. Let's get right. What are they doing to these roads, man? Is this where all the council tax is going? These times they don't want to take my recycling bins. Mad. Come on, mate. So I know right now we're heading towards Walsall ways. Oh my gosh, I swear down, man, it's in my neck. Oh. So yeah, family, I think we are up by in or heading towards the other side of Walsall. Anyway, family, I'm going to leave it as that. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you would like to support Brum Biker, you can join, or you can just hit the paper, hit the cashier, hit the paper, man. Let me know you appreciate it, man. Put your money where your mouth is. Anyway, we out.
Brum Biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum Biker, Brum Rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.